Abahlali bakoGobityholo baseHoneydew eZandspruit bashiyeke bengamahlwempu emva komlilo otshabalalise ooGobityholo babo ekuqaleni kwale veki. Ngethamsanqa akukho mntu wonzakaleyo kwesehlo. Okanti abahlali abachaphazelekile bacela uncedo kurhulumente ukuze bakhe ngokutsha.
Okhulumela bezimo eziphuthumayo bakwa-Emergency Services EMS ngamafuphi uthi baphendula ucingo lwesigameko somlilo la kushe kwangqongqa khona imijondolo engaphezu kwe-10 endaweni yaseZandspruit ngomsombuluko ntambama. Nhlanhla leyo akekho kubikwe ukuthi ulimalile kusona lesi sigameko. Khona manjalo abahlali bakule ndawo bakhala ngokuthi basale dengwane kusho indawo zabo zokuhlala okuyimanje balala komakhelwane njengoba beshelwe yonke impahla yabo.
EMS firefighters responded to a fire incident call on Tuesday morning in Diepsloot. The incident took place in the early hours of the morning. On arrival, they found one shack on fire. Unfortunately, a 2-year-old child and a 26-year-old woman lost their lives during this fire incident. In another incident in Honeydew informal settlement, 12 shacks also caught fire. No injuries were reported during this incident. EMS would like to caution the residents of Johannesburg to be extremely cautious when using electrical appliances. Please ensure that these are always switched off after use.
Babe sebenxusa ukuba uhulumeni angenelele kwazise omunye wabahlali ukhale ngokuthi sekuphele iminyaka e15 bethenjiswa amanzi nogesi nezindlu kuze kube namhlanje ayikazi izikhalazo zabo ziphendulwe.
Silimele kakhulu kangangokuba besingalindelanga ukuba ngaze kube ngolwesithathu sisahleli ngaphandle singatholi usizo. Besithi njengoba sinekhansela sihlala sivota namhlanje sobe sihleli ezindlini zethu si right. Noba baye basinikeza into enesihlahla ukuthi bazothini ngathi kodwa asitholi into enesihlahla soloko nje sihleli ngaphandle. So kangoba bese sicinga ukuthi siyoboleka imali sikhe imikhukhu yethu because akho mnandi wabuhlala emizini.
Okhulumela abahlali abathintekile uthelandisa ngokwenzekile wezwa ngephunga nje ukuthi khona okushayo uthi kuze kube namhlanje abakawazi umsusa womlilo. Ezindabeni zaSoweto TV ngingunobuhle wakwaNdlovu.